Ay koy punne. Janggal da. Na sarga kabugum na pukhale. Aduga amuk makada. Samudro makada laibugum na amuk singra amuk thakada. Awa mathata akoi gi asi phise. Ai gi mit pun mane. Ai gi mit si da pullaga adum purga sale asi punbiraga sak saba phawba hangdok pide
nangido
pubadi pudiko pubadi sutu pude kris tas tawbide adu bom mit punbi mit pullaga mathak ta kai mukha da komi sale ko
sing da jungle da pui ba ko khud khud pun ma ko katik la nam to pai na translate kam kale si kapala
mi ahum oira tai budi yam na di punbi
So she's saying that they've been blindfolded. They were taken up to the mountain. There was bars that they were taken down again. So they were held with their hands tied on the back. So she was telling about how they struggled. At least later they untied their hands, but they were blindfolded most of the time. Yeah.
nupa sing di fu da bra no u ho bra
adu ho dre tungan dum tham kar
ek phabu de gi
pa badi tungan tham kar sin da khana ne nupa ani hom di sai pur di ka khabni adu nupa bu pu di adu di koi di pu di khang dre
akoi cheng kharan la ta pri ma ye bon sai photo group photo lo ko shi ni sina photo